Hi guys, Joe here, and today we're looking at the Temu Stove. So this stove had a lot of questions about it in my last video, so we're going to do a first burn now and I'll show you how it works. So again, size wise, I'll put all the specs on the screen as I go through the video, and it's not definitely backpack. You can put it in your backpack, definitely. All right, this is how it packs down. Bit of foam on the glass side. Put that to the side. And then inside, you have top bit and you have your crossbars here, like so. So we're gonna find some wood now and give us the first burn. And I have a project I need to do anyway, so we'll melt some wax on top. Got a handful of some dry sticks here. Pop those in first. Just gonna pop in 2 of these fire lighters. Get some sticks going across the top. Now I got these Tiger Tims that Eddie Mack showed in one of his videos. I used them once, but they are really good, so I'm going to use them now again. There we go. So I'm just going to pop that just in there. And then close this up. There should be plenty of wood in there for now. Off the top, nice high flame. Hopefully the glass doesn't get all sooted up. So gonna put that on top. Holds fine. Like I said, I just got some wax to do for a project, so I might as well use this to my advantage. This right here is very hot, so you could probably cook off that as well if you had just a cup you want to put on there while that's elevated or something. But that, my fingerprint is still here. That's how hot that was. That's my fingerprint. So that'll be a good burn for tomorrow. So maybe I put too much wood in there, but it looks like it's starting to get a little bit of soot on top. So maybe not overfill it. But it is a lot of heat coming out of that. So there I am, just melting some more wax. Still a good flame, still on the same amount of fuel that's in there. Yeah, working really well. Definitely can cook off this. Well, it's not small, but it's not overly big. I said I'll put the measurements on the screen there. It's definitely doable for bringing to the woods. I've seen people bring a lot bigger than this. I mean, even if you're backpacking, this would be fine. Yep, so that was a Temu stove. Let me know what you think in the comments section, guys. Do you find this a good value? I paid, what, about 45, 46 pounds for it. So I think that's pretty good. Again, something to watch when you're sitting out camping. You can cook on top of it, keep you warm. So yeah, I just think it's a good all-rounder. But let me know what you think in the comments section. Don't forget to check the links in the description box below. Also, check out preparedness.co.uk. I got a little website I'm trying to put together there. And thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.